Welcome to PersonalFN's video learning session. In its endeavor to provide some social security benefits to people, the Modi-led NDA government announced some insurance schemes in the Union Budget 2015-16. In this session, let us take you through the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. The key features of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. What is it? Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is a pure term life insurance scheme that provides cover for death of an individual due to any reason. Amount of coverage. In case of death of the policyholder due to any reason, Rs 2 lakh will be paid to the nominee. How much is the premium? A sum of Rs 330 per annum is required to be paid as an insurance premium to insure oneself to avail the benefits under this policy. And who can apply? This policy cover can be taken by a person who falls between the age group of 18 to 50 years. Those who join the policy a few months before completing 50 can continue to take a risk cover, but the coverage will be until 55 years of age, subject to premium payment. Who will offer? Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana will be offered by Life Insurance Corporation of India and life insurers willing to offer the policy with tie-ups with banks for this purpose. How to apply? In order to apply for the scheme, you need to link your Aadhaar card to your savings bank account. You will need to fill in a simple form mentioning the name of the nominee and linking the Aadhaar card to the bank account. Also, an auto debit authorization is required to be submitted to your bank every year before May 31st. However, for this year, enrollment can be done by August 31st. Thus, by doing so, the amount of insurance premium will be directly debited from your bank account as a policyholder to the policy account. But you ought to maintain the requisite balance in your bank account every year before June 1 to ensure automatic renewal of the policy. Period. The policy cover will be applicable for 1 year from June 1 to May 31st and can be easily renewed by using the auto debit facility. When will the cover be terminated? The assurance on the life of the policyholder shall be terminated on any of the following events and no benefits will be available thereunder. Number 1, on attaining 55 years of age. And the next is closure of the account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force. Also, in case if the policyholder is covered in the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana with LIC of India or other company through more than one account and the premium is received by LIC or other company inadvertently, insurance cover will be restricted to Rs 2 lakh and the premium shall be liable to be forfeited. Now the tax benefit. The premium paid for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is eligible for a deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Moreover, proceeds received from the policy will be entitled for an exemption under Section 1010D. However, if the proceeds exceed a sum of Rs 1 lakh, a tax deduction at source at the rate of 2% from the total proceeds will apply. PersonalFN is of the view that this social security scheme promoted by the government is attractive given the low premiums and the nature of the policy. However, one should not stick to only this scheme. An important question to ask yourself is whether the cover is sufficient to your needs. Thus, do a prudent assessment of your insurance needs. A life insurance cover must be able to meet all your dependents' expenses. For life insurance, term insurance plans are ideal as they provide a higher cover for a relatively low premium. But determine the optimal insurance cover using the human life value method. Thank you for watching. To watch more videos from PersonalFN, subscribe to our YouTube channel now and do not forget to share below your feedback on this video.